My name's Sam Barnes and I've been a mechanical service technician at Banlaw for the past 7 years, and I'm currently the East Coast Service Manager. We offer various solutions for customers that come to us with refuelling issues, anything from fuel infrastructure to their mining fleet, their overfill protection issues and contamination. Majority of the time we have a new customer come to us with a specific issue, not realising the other underlying issues that they have with their fueling infrastructure. We often go to sites and complete an audit of the dispensing, incoming equipment and their refueling gear on the machines, and provide a report and advise of potential issues with environmental, safety and potential sources of harm on their mine site. There's many sites we go to on a monthly basis to look after all of their fuel infrastructure. They have us come to site as an end-to-end solution to look after anything to do with refueling, oil and fluid transfer. They trust us as the OEM of all the equipment that we can provide a solution for any problem they need. While we're on site, we find many other issues that they're not aware of at the time that can reduce downtime, improve safety and fuel cleanliness. And they trust us to provide those solutions and a fix for the issues that they don't believe they're well equipped to provide a solution for. One recent example is a mine site that we work at on a monthly basis, once a week, to provide solutions for all their refueling infrastructure. They weren't aware that they had an issue with one of their machines. A day that our technician was on site, he noticed that they had some spills and that there were some unsafe practices taking place in refueling that machine. We went out and provided a solution with our overfill protection range to prevent the spills, prevent the operator putting himself in a dangerous position and fix the solution. We offered this on a trial period. After 1 month of the customer seeing our product in operation, they decided to end the trial and complete the fit out with the rest of their fleet. Many companies only specialise in one area of hydrocarbon management, whether it be grease, filtration, storage or fluid transfer. Here at Banlaw we specialise in everything. You can come to us, we engineer, supply, design, service and install all the products you need on your site. At Banlaw we focus on preventative maintenance rather than reactive. Most of our clients have us on site once a month to carry out regular and routine maintenance and inspections on their fueling infrastructure. These inspections usually catch problems before they become major issues and lead to machine downtime, environmental damage and personal safety.